January 22nd, 2021 practice. What percent of 75 is 33? Ooh, me like this. So what percent, so we don't know what percent that's going to be, of 75, so here's that of, is 33. So here's that is. All right, so let's put them in place here. So we don't know what percent, but we do know it's out of 100 of 75. So 75 is that total. 33 is that part. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to be able to cross multiply. 100 times 33 is going to be 3,300 or 33. Then you put those two zeros. 75 times x is going to be 75x. All right, we need to get that x by itself. We're going to divide both sides by 75. Divide by 75. So we get rid of that 75 because that 75 divided by 75 is going to be 1. So that means we can cancel it out. And then we're left with x on that side. We're left with x equals, all right, so if you do 3,300, so 3,300 divided by 75, you will get 44. So our answer is going to be 44%. So that is it for our answer. Woohoo! That's it. Great job. So proud of you all.